Hello hacker, in this video I am going to show you how to install Metasploit Framework in our Termux without rooting our phone. For this you need latest version of Termux. You can download it either from my Telegram channel or F-Droid app or its website. I have cleared my Termux data show that we can't get any error during installation. If you are new on my channel then please like this video, subscribe my channel and please bell icon to all for such an amazing video. Without wasting our time, let's start our video. Now open your Termux, you will see Bootstrap is installing. Wait. Now type apt update and an apt upgrade to update all packages. After that it will take some time. Now type Y for updating all packages. I am skipping here. Choose default value, that is N. Now you can see that here is nothing. So, type Termux setup storage to give it storage permission. Now install some basic packages for Metasploit installation. So, copy my command and then run. Here you will see that it is saying Metasploit is successfully installed, and you can start it by typing msf console command. But you can see this error if you type msf console. So to solve this you need to type ls, and you can see Metasploit Framework folder. Now enter in this folder by typing cd Metasploit Framework. Now you will see msf console file. This is bash file. If you type /msf console, you will get bundle error. To solve this error, type bundle install. This will take some time, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, depends on your internet speed, so I am skipping here. Start new session and type cd. Wait, return back on first session. We can see that bundle installation process has successfully completed. So now type /msf console to start Metasploit. This process will take some time, so keep patience. Return back to our second session and type cd $prafix in capital letters. Wait, return back on first session. We can see that our Metasploit framework is successfully run, so let's check it out. But we will see that msf console command is not working for starting Metasploit, but I have a solution for that. Start third session and type cd $prefix in capital letters and then press enter. After that, type nano. Follow all these steps. After writing all these codes, press Ctrl+X, then type Y, then enter. Type msf console. Don't do spelling mistake after typing. Press enter button. Now start new session and type msf console to start it. This will take some time. Keep patience. Now Metasploit is started again using msf console shortcut command